Hi, welcome to the Han Solo Enterprises Project Execution Presentation. This team comprises of 4 members, Adam McGurk, William Cox, Ken Strobel, and myself, Jonathan Sirine. In reviewing our plan and to better understand a realistic execution of it, we set out to carefully understand and consider 6 questions. Does the plan need any additional items or adjustments? Who is researching costs? What is the deadline? In addition to test cases, how will quality be controlled during execution? And what are our detailed plans for our biggest risks involving quality and time commitment? All in all, at Han Solo's Enterprises, we feel that we have a complete plan. Our major focus turned out to be a regrouping and finalizing of our plan to both reduce and mitigate risks that might lead to project delay and a reduction to quality. I have been given the task of researching the cost breakdown. Part of my job is to pull data from the other departments to make sure it is accurate across the entire organization. Since I rely so much on the help from other various departments, their heads and teams, cost research really has become a company-wide effort. This also ensures that each person knows many details and all of the details about the project overall, and helps us assure quality control across the board. As we approach and contemplate submission, we believe our existing resources will be enough. When we build out our timeline, we do so with the utmost care and attention to detail. We understand that the largest pain point in any project relationship is unmet expectations, whether that comes from resources needed that weren't spoken about, exaggerated promises about capability, or just lies about the project scope in general. We know that this is the last thing a customer wants to go through. We understand this, which is why we go almost in the other direction, by overestimating what we need to do to get the job accomplished, so that when we come to the end of the project, we can say that we were under budget or that we came right at budget and within the provided timeline. Here at Han Solo Enterprises, we know the resources needed and will not go over that. This is why a scope change is not needed based on a review, and we are set to come in at or before our deadline of January 14th. Quality and its accompanying attribute of accuracy in our instance is of the utmost importance when dealing with historical records and the associated documentation as one deals with an in-depth and extended genealogy project such as ours. Outside of our test cases, we have built in several checks and balances to ensure the data we acquire is not only verified by the source authority, but also by our own internal teams to ensure the cleanest and most definitive results possible. To further that end, we have made extensive investments in both time and money assembling a state-of-the-art data center where we are constantly compiling and expanding our own verified historical records. The overall project quality is constantly substantiated simultaneously by the project management offices, project manager, and project curator roles, all taking an active role within the project. This duty is shared equally across these 3 positions, and allowing each full revocation rights to keep our end deliverable as an authoritative record of each one of the contents it represents. Here at Han Solo's Enterprises, we take the veracity of work with the proper dedication and passion that our history deserves. In our many years dealing with clients at Han Solo Enterprises, some of the biggest risks we have encountered are incorrect or falsified documents and parties who wish certain information to remain hidden. At Han Solo Enterprises, we have many Jedi researchers who are very, very skilled at learning the truth from individuals who wish to hide it. They also use a very special skill known as the Force to find hidden truths that may be lost. Other noteworthy risks and our basic plan to reduce them are shown here in the provided table. Thank you for watching.